I guess this is my bad bitch era, and I'm ready for it. Are you guys? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is May and I create fashion and beauty content. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going blonde. Goodbye dark hair and hello platinum blonde. I am super excited. I've always wanted to go blonde. My mom has very light blonde hair. I think it's just so much fun, something different. Now, I am not dyeing my hair today, okay? I am not going to do that to my healthy long hair. This will be my first time wearing a wig and actually doing it right, where in the past, I just kind of plop it on my head and kind of move forward. But I want to look as realistic as possible. While I was preparing for this video, I was scrolling through TikTok as one does. And I came to this video and I was like,
oh my gosh, how does the algorithm know I'm going blonde today?
So I'm gonna have this video right here.
That when an Asian girl bleaches her hair blonde, she's starting her bad bitch era. You can't say shit to her. But what we don't talk about is when she goes from blonde hair back to black hair. That is peak character development. It's fucking over for you. She's moved on. Good fucking luck, because she doesn't care about you anymore. It's gone. Say bye.
I guess this is my bad bitch era, and I'm ready for it. Are you guys? The video made me laugh, especially since the timing of it all. In this bag, I have a wig. I have the Taylor style, which is a 20-inch deep side part with glamour body weave. It's platinum hair, full scalp coverage, vegan synthetic fiber from Japan, and there are adjustable bands and cone clips for a secure and comfortable fit. I am so excited. I'm actually really happy that it came in with the bag because realistically, where are you going to store your wigs? Are you just going to throw it in your closet? Because that is something I would do. But I want to take care of it and use it for the future. Maybe Halloween. That would be a great time. So I really like this bag. Just keeps everything all neat. Ta-da! Can you guys tell I'm really excited? This is what she looks like. Super platinum. Even looks more platinum on camera. In person has like a hint more yellow. So pretty. I love these waves. This wig is so dense and so thick. And I have pretty thick hair. Now I did do a blowout so it's not as thick right now. But this is thick. And then there's the lace. Here are the two front clips. One back clip, then this is the lace. I know I'm supposed to trim it with scissors, so I'm going to do that. So I've used insert name hair products before. I've used their clipping bangs. I believe they're called the Zoe. If you missed that video, I'll leave it right here. I think it was like my best tips for curtain bangs. Those bangs look so realistic, so good. If you're interested in curtain bangs or just bangs in general, but you're kind of nervous to do the big chop, check that video out. And then I also use their waver for like a beachy wave moment. That's a really good hot tool. I'll also link that video right here. But today will be the Zoe. I'm gonna go in and trim the lace. Just be very careful. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now I need to prep my actual hair. They said to do 2 braids. So I'm gonna go in with that, split my hair in half. I've had this for so long. I got it from Urban Outfitters. If it's still there, I'll link it down below. But it just has everything and it's so organized. Clips, different colored bobby pins. There's a little hairnet, smaller ties, different colors, larger ties. This makes it so convenient, especially when traveling or just to keep your desk or bathroom nice and organized. I'm going to use these little elastic bands because I don't want to have any bumps. I want it to look very minimal. Because I have longer layers, I'm just going to do a French braid to get these smaller pieces in the front. And I still have my curtain bangs. They're still growing out. I think this would be a little bit easier just to get those smaller bits. Next, I need to pin the braids up and out of the way. So I'm kind of just gonna roll it up like this, and so they lay nice and flat against the head. I forgot to mention it does come with a wig cap actually too. It doesn't feel too tight, which I appreciate that. I don't want this wig to be uncomfortable throughout the day. So I'm just gonna put it on my head. All right, now that I look like I'm bald, I'm going to do my makeup first. I don't think I'm gonna film it just because this video is gonna get pretty long and I want to show you guys the transformation and I want to put on like a cute look to go with it. So if you like the makeup look today and you want a tutorial, let me know down below. I could totally do that. I kind of want to do a cut crease for the very first time. I don't see enough Asians with cut creases. I know cut creases aren't really in, but I would love to see that on some beautiful monolids. So I'm going to do that real quick and be right back. I feel like this glitter cut crease doesn't look too bad for my first time. Not bad. I can always improve in the future. What do you guys think? If you do want to see it, let me know down below and I can totally do a tutorial. What we all been waiting for, wig time. So I think I'm going to do the front pieces first. I've seen it done a couple of ways. So I have the clips. And they say to go under the wig cap, just like that. Okay. And then from the back, take that clip and then secure it under the cap, so the nape of the neck. I look so different. I don't even recognize myself, even the side part, because I have a widow's peak. Just my part looks different. I think I did it right. Or do I need to pull it a little more? Because it's supposed to be a deep side part. I think that's right. The last part of this video is finding an outfit. This sweatshirt is not going to do it. I need to glam it up and put on something different. Something that's just gonna make me feel like a bad bitch. Are you ready for this transformation?
Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I
I hope you guys enjoyed this fun video. If you are interested in enter name here, you're interested in this wig, I'll have everything linked down below. Before you leave, like this video, subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. And this blonde, we'll see you later. Bye.
I don't need a man, yeah, I'm good by myself. Spending this money and I made it myself. Now I'm glowed up and you're stuck by yourself.